Welcome, today we're going to show you how to hide your following list on Instagram. So the first thing that you need to do is to click on the three lines on the top right. As you from here. After that, the settings menu will open. Now you need to scroll down till you find the account privacy section. You need to click on it. And now for the first option that you can actually do is to enable private account. So this will change the privacy for your following list and the followers to private, and nobody can actually see it unless he is actually following you. So if you don't want even the followers to see the following list, or you don't want to make your account private, the next thing that you can do is to go back and then scroll down till you see the help section. I'll see from here, you need to click on the help section, and now you need to click on report a problem. So now from here, you need to click on include and continue. So now you need to explain that you want to keep your account public, but you need to make your following list private. After you tell them, you need to click on send, and Instagram will respond to you and fix your issue. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.